Madhav, beta come here. So Madhav, today our topic is antonym words. Okay? And I am going to ask you some words and you will give the answer in antonym form. So what is the antonym word of abhor?
My answer is like.
And what is the antonym word of above?
Below.
Okay. Nakshita? Nakshita, beta tell me antonym word of quick.
Slow.
Yes. And what is the antonym word of timid?
Bold.
Very good. Arish? Tell me antonym word of maximum.
Minimum.
And for difficult?
Easy.
Good. Hitiksha? Hitiksha, beta tell me antonym word of barren.
Fertile.
And what will be the antonym word of deposit?
Withdraw.
Okay, Gunjan. Gunjan, beta tell me antonym word of begin. And for zeal?
Indifference.
Okay, Kaushik. Kaushik, beta tell me antonym word of early.
Late.
And for fast?
Slow.
Okay. Now Dishant. Dishant, beta tell me antonym word of temporary.
Permanent.
And for wet?
Dry.
Okay. Ritika, beta tell me the antonym word of rough.
Smooth.
And what will be the antonym word of drunk?
Sober.
Okay, good. Gauri. Gauri, beta tell me antonym word of start.
Stop.
And for give?
Take.
Okay. Karthik, beta tell me the antonym word of real.
My answer is unreal.
Okay. And for safe?
My answer is unsafe.
Okay. Abbas. Abbas, beta tell me the antonym word of raw.
Right.
And for wild?
Tame.
Okay. Harsh. Now tell me the antonym word of high.
Low.
Okay. So Pradyuman, what is the antonym word of quit?
Zigzag.
And what is the antonym word of particular?
Wise.
Okay, go. Okay, Chirag. Today our topic is antonym words, and I am going to ask you some words, and you will give the answer in antonym form. So first word is for you, gentle.
My answer is rude.
And what will be the antonym word of abhor?
My answer is like.
Okay, go. Vedita. Vedita, beta tell me the antonym word of noise.
My answer is silence.
And what will be the antonym word of real?
My answer is unreal.
Okay. Bhavyanshu. Bhavyanshu, tell me antonym word of smallest.
Largest.
What will be the antonym word of come?
Go.
Okay. Raghu. Raghu, tell me the antonym word of bag.
Often.
And for kind?
Mean.
Okay. Asjad. What will be the antonym word of admit?
Deny.
What is the antonym word of swift?
My answer is slow.
Okay. Asbia, tell me the antonym word of bald.
My answer is hairy.
And what is the antonym word of buy?
My answer is sale.
Okay. Rakshit, tell me the antonym praise.
Praise.
And for bitter?
Sweet.
Okay. Tell me the antonym word of win.
My answer is loss.
What is the antonym word of enthusiasm?
My answer is indifference.
Okay. Ayush, better tell me the antonym word of up.
Down.
And for left?
Right.
Okay. Aradhya, tell me the antonym word of male.
My answer is female.
And for front?
My answer is back.
Okay. Ayaz, tell me the antonym word of blunt.
My answer is sharp.
And for agree?
My answer is disagree.
Okay. Okay, Rishabh, come here, bete. So Rishabh, today our topic is antonym words, and I am going to ask you some words, and you will give the answer in antonym form. Okay. So first word is for you, day.
Night.
Cold.
Hot.
Divya. Divya, bete, what is the antonym word of future?
Past.
And for close?
Open.
Very good, Aryan. Aryan, bete, tell me the antonym word of come.
Go.
And for dislike?
Like.
Okay. Simran. Simran, bete, tell me the antonym word of happy.
Sad.
For imprison?
Free.
Very good. Yash. What is the antonym word of true?
False.
And for fail?
Pass.
Okay. Kaka. So Kaka, tell me antonym word of early.
Late.
Very good. Kashish. Kashish, bete, what is the antonym word of south?
North.
And for tall?
Short.
Okay. Lovely. Lovely, bete, tell me the antonym word of ancient.
My answer is new.
And for generous?
My answer is mean.
Okay. Aradhya. Aradhya, bete, what is the antonym word of include?
Exclude.
And for innocent?
Guilty.
Very good. Mayank, bete, what is the antonym word of hopeless?
Hopeful.
And for wet?
Dry.
Okay. Arushi. Arushi, bete, tell me the antonym word of despair.
Hope.
And for foolish?
Serious.
Very good. Piyush. Piyush, bete, tell me the antonym word of few.
Many.
And for poor?
Rich.
Once, what is the antonym word of bottom?
Top.
And for demand?
Supply.
Okay. Okay, Shiva, what is the antonym word of question?
My answer is answer.
Loss.
My answer is profit.
What is the antonym word of beautiful?
My answer is ugly.
And what is the antonym word of big?
My answer is little.
Okay, Yug. What is the antonym word of break?
My answer is fix.
And what is the antonym word of swift?
My answer is silver.
Dev. What is the antonym word of height?
My answer is low.
And what is the antonym word of tall?
My answer is short.
Okay, Chahat. What is the antonym word of less?
My answer is more.
And for come?
My answer is go.
Okay, Divakar. Tell me the antonym word of ancient.
My answer is modern.
And for advantage?
My answer is disadvantage.
Okay. Arush, what is the antonym of difficult?
Easy.
Udit, what is the antonym of quick?
My answer is slow.
And for kill?
My answer is save.
Okay, Aryan, tell me the antonym of obey.
My answer is disobey.
What is the antonym of offensive?
Answer defensive.
Okay.